Hello everyone, welcome to part 33 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. So we will continue working on add product form that we have started in last video. We able to display all the form fields. You can see that we able to display most of the fields are here now, but still few are left. In last video we have seen that we able to create the filters array for fabric, sleep, pattern, fit and occasion. Now we are going to add them in our form, in our add form, and after that we are going to display the categories as well along with sections. Okay, like men is having the sum categories, woman is having the sum, and the kids is having the sum and their subcategories as well, and that thing we are also going to do in this video. Okay, so let's show the filters. First of all, these select boxes we are going to show fabric, sleep, pattern, fit and occasion, and we have already passed them to our form, addEdit product form, and here we are going to display. So we are going to display them after product description. Okay, I'm going to see that where we can display them. So after wash care we are going to display here. So I will pick this select box that we are having here in select category, because we will get the design. If we are using some class, we can able to get that class. Okay, see the classes we are using, select 2. Okay, so this one I am going to end here. This row I am going to end, and okay, so no issue. And here I am going to display here that first filter will come as fabric. Okay, so I'm going to display here fabric, select fabric, and here fabric will come. Okay, and here the option will come, and I'm going to add the for each. We have the fabric array, so I'm going to display here fabric array that we have passed from the function as $fabric. Okay, so we are having options for fabric, and here and for each, and here we are going to add the option for fabric option value, and option will come itself in fabric. Okay, $fabric, and here as well. Fine. Okay, so this fabric is ready, and what we are going to do, we are going to copy this fabric and going to display up till here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make first this one. See, there are 4 more, so what I am going to do, I want to make first like this one, and we'll close this one, and this one more is required like this, and one more is required that will come for this meta title description. Okay, this one. So here I am going to display this div form group 4 times here, 1 2, and here 1. Okay, sorry, form group. Okay, I'm going to check like this. Form group, fine. Form group, fine. Okay, yeah, one more time, form. Okay, now it is fine. Okay, so now I will pick this form group. Okay, see, if you have any confusion, then do watch the videos twice or thrice. Okay, because some of these steps you can miss, or some of these steps you not able to understand at the first attempt. So I always advise you to watch the video again, because then few things get clear. Okay, so work on step by step, and if there is still any confusion, then you can surely contact me. I have given you my Facebook ID, I have given you my Facebook group. Okay, I have given you my Facebook page, Stack Developers. group is also there now. Okay, you can join that group. Okay, I think I already mentioned you that group in that in comments. I already mentioned that group, that you can join that group if you have any queries. Okay, and see here, Facebook group stack developer. This is the URL that you can open: Facebook group stack developer, Facebook /groups /stack developers. You can join this group. I will also give in video description. Okay, and there is one more thing that you can do. You can join my video channel as well. Okay, so I will discuss earlier as well. Okay, so you can join my channel as well if you want. Okay, that link I have already shared. If you want to get in touch with me for all your issues, and if you are doing some other project as well in Laravel, then also, okay, so I am here to help you. Then you can not only subscribe, but you can join as well. Okay, you can show the join button in every video. With every video you can see the join button. Okay, so you can join me, and that costs you around $half per month. See, $half per month means around, this is the $half per month. In $half per month you can become Laravel expert in few months. Then what you want to achieve? If you will go to some institute, they will charge you hundreds of dollars, you know yourself, for getting trained in Laravel. Okay, so only with few dollars, only with, means you can say the $3 4 or the $10 or whatever in month, you can means you used to, means everyone used to spend a lot of money on food, on clothes, on hundreds of dollars. We used to spend on so many things, but for learning, if we can't spend money, then we can't do anything in life, because these few dollars will help you to gain thousands of dollars in future. When you will you will join in some company, when you will do all this Laravel code, then you will remember me that I told you these words, and these words will help you at that time. That few dollars you spend at that time, and now you are earning thousands of dollars every month. Okay, and these few dollars meant nothing. And okay, so now see, fabric we have already added, and after fabric we are going to add another field, another one, or another filter, that is occasion. Okay, so okay, occasion we are going to add here. Select occasion. Select occasion. Check spelling of occasion. I sometimes give wrong spelling of occasion. See, these are the spelling of occasion. Okay, so I will correct the spelling here every time. Occasion like this. Okay, and there also I'm going to correct the spelling. Occasion is like this. Okay, occasion area. Now it is fine. Okay, so after fabric we have given occasion, but there are other fields as well. So first, let me not do this occasion. First we will give sleeve only. Okay, so one by one we are going to do. We are going to do sleeve here. Okay, sleeve like this. Okay, sleeve is done, and after that we are going to do pattern. Fit. Okay, and after that occasion. Yeah, now it comes occasion. Okay. So all filters are done now. Now we can check these filters here. So let's see. So see, these filters are ready now. Select fabric, okay, select sleeve, select fit, select pattern, okay, and select occasion. Okay, so all filters have come up here. Okay, so what we are left with, one last field we are left with, feature, that the item is featured or not. Okay, and that we are going to display after meta keywords after this one we are going to display here. Okay, so I'm going to just copy and paste this one here, and we'll remove this test area. And now here I'm going to add, and this is featured I'm going to give here. So I will add a checkbox, input type checkbox, like this, and its name will be like is featured, is underscore featured. Okay, like this, and id also is featured, like this, and its value will be 1. Okay, so this is the last field that we are going to add here. Okay, it comes up here, no issue. And here we are going to add a featured item. Okay, so now complete add product form is ready, but now we need to work on select category. Okay, and I already told you that in select category we are going to show first sections like men, women and kids. Means first section like men, in that men what will come, categories will come like t-shirts, like denims. Okay, these categories will come under men, and after the categories, then it will come like subcategories, formal t-shirts, casual t-shirts, like this. Okay, so this hierarchy we are going to show in this drop down. Okay, so we are going to work for this one, and for that we are going to add, we are going to create one here, its query. We need to create its query, and then we can display. We need to get the categories and subcategories. Okay, so we will make the query like we need to make the relation as well, like we have created the relations earlier as well. So here also we need to create relation so that we can get the categories and subcategories. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here I'm going to display sections with categories and subcategories. Okay, so here I'm going to display the dollar categories, and that will come from the section. And here I'm going to make one relation like with categories. Okay, these categories I am going to get from sections. I'm going to make this relation. Okay, so this relation will help us to get categories. Okay, that relation I'm going to make in few minutes. Okay, so and after that we are going to display all this, and this one I am going to like this, categories, JSON decode, then JSON encode. Okay, then dollar categories, and I am going to display the array here. Okay, for array I need to give here true, like this. Okay, and first I am going to display, we'll check that whether all the categories and subcategories are coming fine or not inside section. Like this. Okay, so see, this one first we need to create in section model. We are going to create the relation here. Every section has many categories, so this relation I'm going to create public function categories relation. Okay, I'm going to display here. This one here I am going to add like return dollar this has many, because every section has many categories. Okay, so I'm going to give this relation app and category. Okay, and here we are going to give section id, because we are going to compare with section id that comes in categories, that which section IDs is having which categories, and we are only going to take the root categories. Okay, so here, sorry, parent, I am going to mention here parent id must be root. So two things we are going to compare here. One is the parent id must be root, otherwise the category will come again and again. Okay, and we are going to pick the root categories, and the status must be 1. Okay, so this one is like this. Okay, and along with we are going to display that we will talk later on. Okay, first we are going to display this one. Okay, so now I'm going to check here that what will come. We are already displaying, and let's see, and we are going to check here. Okay, section not found. We are going to add the section here. I'm going to add section. Okay, now see here, now we have the section as well as their categories. You can see here, first section comes men, and men is going to display the categories inside men, and that are t-shirts and shirts, both are the categories that comes under men section. Okay, that is fine. And see, one more, denims is also come under men section. Oh, that is fine. And then women section comes, but there is no categories inside women section so far. And then kids section comes, and there is no category under kids section so far. Okay, if there are categories, then these are we are going to display. Okay, but still, see, inside t-shirt there are still subcategories, and that also we are going to display. And for that we need to update our query, we need to update our relation. Here we are going to attach these subcategories as well, and we are already having in category function we are having the subcategories. If you remember, this one we this subcategories function we have created earlier, and this one we can use here. We just need to attach the subcategories here. Okay, with subcategories, so that it will display the subcategories as well of all these categories. Okay, so we can just mention the subcategories here. Okay, so you can just mention here and refresh, and you can see now it is man is the section. Inside man, this is the t-shirts category, and inside t-shirt categories there is the casual t-shirt categories. Okay, so now the subcategories are also coming. See here, shirts and denims, no other category is having the subcategory, but this t-shirt is having the subcategory, and subcategory here is also coming casual t-shirts. Okay, so our hierarchy has come up now this seems to be fine. Okay, so now we are going to add this one in our addEditProduct form. Okay, so I'm going to disable this one, and we'll take this through to our form. So I'm going to pick this one, categories, and we'll take this there, categories, and I am going to show these categories in addEditProduct form. Okay, so here I am going to give, and in here it is. Okay, so here I'm going to give here loop. Okay, for each loop to display the categories and the subcategories inside section. Okay, so here we are going to give the start that thing. Okay, so first of all I am going to give for each loop, like for each and dollar categories. First section will come. I'm going to add the section here. Okay, so for section there is one OPT group. OPT groups come under for, like, if we don't want to select that thing, then it will come. so you can select that thing. Instead of option, we can give opt group. Opt group you just is like heading, and we can't able to select that heading. Okay, opt group. And here inside this one I'm going to give label. Okay, and label is dollar section, and then its section name, and section name is like this. Okay, fine. And after this opt group, I am going to close this for each. Okay, and for each, this is for section, but we can't able to select. I am going to check one by one. I'm going to refresh here, and you can check, see men, women and kids have come up here in select category. Okay, but we not able to select, you can see. Okay, so inside this one I am going to add now, I'm going to add now categories and subcategories. Okay, so I am going to add another for each. Okay, then dollar section, and in section I'm going to display the categories like this, because it is coming, categories coming under okay, so as dollar category. Okay, so I will show you once again, but I am going to close this one first, and for each. Okay, see here, I'm going to show you on one page. I will open that thing so that it will be more clear, like this. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one, will display here, we'll take the okay, so here I'm going to undo like this, and will display here so that it will be easier for us. Okay, so here we can pick, like, category is coming, so categories we have pick up here. Okay, so inside this one we are going to add the option. See here, categories we have pick up here. Okay, so now we can add the option here. Okay, option value, and in value we are going to add the category ID. Okay, so we can display the category ID here. Sorry, okay, and here we are going to display the category name. Okay, so here I am going to display the category name, and this one I am going to display like dollar category, and category name we have given like this in that field, category name like this. Okay, and after that option is close. Okay, so I'm going to check now, not here but here I'm going to check, and you can see now inside men, now the categories are coming, you can see. Okay, so see, inside women and kids we don't have any categories, but inside men we are having the 3 categories, and that are displaying now t-shirts, shirts and men. Okay, along with their category ID that we are going to select whenever user going to submit the that add product form. Okay, so now I hope that it is very much clear. You can display here NVSP as well if you want some gap in the starting, so that you will come to know that these are coming inside that one. Okay, you can do it like this so that it will be more clear. And you can do one more thing here, like you can display like this, and okay, this one you can design kind of thing. See here, now it looks better. Okay, men, then t-shirt, shirts, denim comes inside men. Okay, and now we are going to display the subcategory inside this one more. Okay, so for that we are going again for each loop. We are going to start at for each, and this time we are going to check what comes inside categories. Here we are going to check here categories, and here subcategories will come. Okay, now we are going to pick these subcategories. Okay, so here this dollar category, and after that this subcategories. Okay, that we have sorry, we not copied. I am going to copy this one and we'll add here subcategory. Okay, and then here we are going to add dollar subcategory. Okay, like this, subcategory, like this one. Okay, now once more, sorry, not this one, once more I am going to select the same option inside this one, like this option, like this, and now we are going to add the subcategory instead of category. Okay, and now I'm going to check once again and we'll see. Okay, so we need to end it as well, we forgot to end, so end for it will come again for this one as well. Now we are going to check. Okay, so now you can see here t-shirt, inside t-shirt casual t-shirts come, but still we want more here, we need to display inside this one. So I'm going to check this, like this, it will make the difference. So now it seems to be a bit fine here. Okay, and now you can check once again. Okay, so now it seems like men, inside men there is t-shirt, inside t-shirt there is casual t-shirt. You can clearly able to know that it is coming inside of that thing. Okay, so you can do this thing from your end, you can display like this one. Okay, so now see here, now it is very much clear that t-shirts come under men and casual t-shirts come under t-shirts. Okay, so hierarchy is very much clear to you. And if you will add more categories, like if you will add under women, if you will add some other category like denims, you are going to add under women's, like here select women and main category level, fine, and category discount, nothing, and denims women. Okay, so you can simply, now you can check here at the time of add product, you can see here, now see here denims under women as well, you can able to select this one as well. And if you are going to add this subcategory to denims, then it will come inside denims as well. Okay, so now I hope that everything is clear to you, that we are having the sort of category level here. Okay, so we can select the category as well as subcategory, but we can't section is just to display. Okay, we are going to add the section id in products table of our own. Okay, but we are going to add the category id in a accurate way, that we know that the user going to select from here, client is going to select from here. Okay, so our add product form is ready. Now all the fields are ready. In next video we are going to add the product in our table and going to display in view products form. Okay, so that's that thing we are going to do in next video. So if you have any query, you can surely contact me in video description, or you can contact me in Facebook group as well. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.